important tactic what they are using is, when they attack you, same time they said, you attack me. That is their tactic. They say, these monks, when they take over monastery, the monks defense, these monks of the monastery shut the door. So, okay, they attack, they are guilty. When they attack the monastery, they say, these monks are guilty, therefore we attack. When we were celebrating the wonderful boys' welcome ceremony, and then the group came there stoning us, And what they said is, their group, they said, Shamaba is stoning this monastery. They announced in the world. They attacked me, and then he said, Shamaba is attack. So, do you think Shamaba is attack himself? Then I analyzed why they do this. They are taking advantage of naive of the followers, their followers. So state government, Siddhu Rinpoche, are collaborating with China now. I have confidence he is the right Karmapa. Through spiritually I analyzed enough, and nothing more clear proof needed, because the past Karmapas also did not have more clear proof than this Karmapa. Many past Karmapas. So, because of India stopped that boy to go to Rumtek, I managed to invite my wonderful boy and nominated as Karmapa in India without politics, without link up with political institutions like Dalai Lama's exile government and China government and Sikkim state government. I chant a request to the great bodhisattvas, great bodhisattvas, who has wisdoms, making verses to pray to them to give some blessings to make it smooth and successful. That I do. Kanshi yila tempa zangji ne debe mudu malu zonzeba tensun yino chenam ji daso samden rube tonze ji. That means the moment I think of you great protectors, one who can give the blessings to make everything running smoothly. Now I'm calling you a blessing to make it run well. That's all.